In this video, I'm going to show you how to zero out inventory in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, what you want to do is click on the plus button top left, and you want to go to Inventory Quantity Adjustment under Other. Now, whenever you do this here, you basically have to enter in the adjustment date, and then of course, choose the appropriate inventory adjustment account. I'm just going to select this one over here. Of course, you can select whichever one you want, and you can also edit the reference number if you need to. Then down here, as you can see, product/variant, you want to select the item you want to zero out. I'm just going to use this pump over here. And as you can see, currently there it says quantity on hand is 27. And what you want to do in the new quantity column, you want to enter a 0 over here. And you're going to see the change over here. All you have to do is basically add more lines if you need, and then simply click on save and close. And that's all you have to do, okay? So if I now go back and of course test it, you'll see that the quantity is now 0. So that's how to zero out inventory. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.